This is one of those jobs that we're going to where people handed me a set of plans from an architect for a large home expansion. This job was supposed to be a big addition, and the people didn't really consult with builders necessarily before they commissioned their architect. And I always warn you guys about this. Talk to a builder. I do it for free. You have no obligation to hire me. Call somebody you trust to talk about the project you want to do. So these people had big plans drawn. The plans came in out of budget and they couldn't do it. So we had to scale back the project, which we can help you do. We go back to the architect, we make revisions. So this particular job, which was going to be an addition, got scaled back to a large open floor kitchen renovation, a master suite, a hall bathroom rip and replace renovation. The nice thing about scaling back is you might have a smaller job, but you could update and spend a little more on the finishes. You can get that better appliance package. You can get the nicer quartz. You can spend a little bit more money on bells and whistles like floor warming or under cabinet lighting that maybe you wouldn't have done in a large scale renovation.